Hi, hello guys. So today we will be presenting content management systems. Uh, your presenters today will be me, Hernandez Matthew G, and Kevin Afrasio. So let's start with the introduction to CMS. So a content management system is a software application that allows user to create, manage, and publish digital content efficiently. It is designed to simplify content handling by separating content creation from technical implementation, enabling both technical and non-technical users to collaborate in maintaining website and digital platforms. So let's go back to the early history of CMS. So before CMS platform existed, websites were developed using static HTML files, and any content update required manual editing of code. So making website maintenance slow and inefficient. As websites grew in size and complexity, the need for automated content management systems became evident, especially for business and organizations. Next is the emergence of CMS platforms. So, CMS was first introduced in the late 1990s. So, the first CMS solutions introduced for enterprise use and is focused on document and content storage, proprietary and expensive systems, limited accessibility for individual developers. Next would be the open source CMS era. The early 2000s marked a major turning point with the rise of open source. CMS platforms such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. These systems provided customizable themes, plugins, and community support, making web publishing more accessible and affordable. This period significantly expanded the use of CMS in education, business, and personal projects. So for the modern CMS development, cloud cloud-based CMS solution, API-driven and headless architectures integration with analytics and marketing tools, focus on scalability and performance. Next would be the CMS architecture overview. So modern CMS platforms are built with a layered architecture. The backend manages content creation, user roles, and workflows, while the database stores content and system data. The front end display content to users and APIs, allow content to be delivered across different platforms such as websites, mobile apps, and external services. Next would be the current CMS technologies. Right now, the backend languages would be PHP, Java, Python, JavaScript. And for the front end technologies would be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For frameworks, React, Vue, and Angular. For the databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and for APIs would be REST and GraphQL. Next would be Kevin.
So hello, now let's talk about the different types of content management systems that are commonly used today. So first we have the traditional CMS platforms. This system handles both the content and how it's displayed on our website. This means everything from writing articles to designing pages is managed in one place. Examples include platform like WordPress. So next is the headless CMS. Unlike the traditional systems, a headless CMS focuses on managing and delivering content through APIs. It does not handle the front end or design. This makes it very flexible because developers can use technology. They want to display content, whether it's a website, mobile app, or even an IT device. And lastly, we have the decoupled CMS. Uh, which is a combination of both. It separates the backend and frontend, but still provides some built-in tools for presentation. This gives developers flexibility while still making it easier to manage content visually. Next slide, please. So the application of CMS. CMS platforms are widely used across different industries and applications. First, they are commonly used for website and blog management, allowing users to easily publish and organize content without needing advanced coding skills. They are also essential in e-commerce platforms where business management products listing, customer data, and transactions. In education, CMS is used in learning management systems, helping schools and universities manage its courses, materials, and student activities. CMS is also used in corporate and enterprises website to manage internal and external communication, company updates, and documentation. Next slide, please. So security challenges. Despite its advantages, CMS platforms also face several security challenges. Because they are widely used, they are often targeted by cyber attacks. One major issue is use of outdated plugins or themes, which can contain vulnerabilities that attack and exploit. So another problem is a weak authentication mechanism such as poor password practices or lack of multi-factor authentication. In addition, improper security practices can exploit data or create entry points for hackers. Next slide, please. So performance and scalability issues. Another challenge in using CMS platforms is performance and scalability. One common issue is slow loading times, especially when too many plugins or heavy features are used. There are they can also be database performance bottlenecks, particularly when handling large volumes of content or user traffic. Traditional or monolithic CMS platforms may be limited in scalability, making it difficult to handle rapid growth or high traffic efficiency. Next slide, please. Maintenance challenges. So maintaining a CMS system requires continuous effort and attention. Regular updates are necessary to keep the system secure and functioning properly. However, updates can sometimes cause compatibility issues or system conflicts, which may break certain features of the website. Another challenge is performing regular backups, which are essential to prevent data loss in case of emergency, failure, or cyber attacks. Additionally, content migration from one CMS platform to another can be complex and time consuming. Next slide, please. So, shift towards headless CMS. Looking into the future, there is a clear shift towards headless CMS and API first architecture. So these modern systems allow developers to manage content in one place and deliver it across multiple platforms such as website, mobile apps, and even smaller devices. This approach provides greater flexibility, faster performance, and better scalability compared to traditional CMS. Because of this advantage, headless CMS is becoming the preferred choice for modern digital applications. Next slide, please. Uh, CMS in the future. So CMS in the future development as digital technologies continue to evolve, CMS will play even bigger role in an IT development. Future CMS platforms will focus on flexibility, allowing developers to integrate with different technologies easily. They will also emphasize automation, reducing manual tasks such as content updates and system maintenance. Integration with emerging technologies like AI, cloud computing, and IoT will become more common. Next slide, please. So, in conclusion, content management systems have significantly evolved to meet the demands of modern digital platforms. They provide an efficient way to manage and deliver content across various applications. With continuous improvements and integration of new technology, CMS platforms are becoming more and more powerful and versatile. For IT students and developers, having knowledge of CMS is not just helpful, it is essential for building modern digital solutions. Next. So thank you. Then this is Kevin Raprasha. We are Group 10.